Hey guys, Glen Murray. Welcome to this deep dive into passive digital mastery. This is a program by Fran Fields, and it is an awesome mastery course on how to do digital marketing. And it has so much in it. It has an active community, which is great. It's all done for you too. Like what you see on the screen is what you actually get given if you join Passive Digital Mastery and do it on CapHub. And you're also going to get a smoking deal on CapHub because it's a one-stop marketing instead of having to have Aweber and ClickFunnels and System and ManyChat and all these things. And maybe you don't know what that means, but these are all the things that automate your online business. Well, it's all in one thing. And I'm going to show you that. First off, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. And if you have any questions, put a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer it. And I'm going to put my link to my free affiliate quick start setup school. That's this right here. You're going to be able to go in here. This is a super active. Look at, there's 3 more members just coming in. Super active. We've got 3,000 members in here. I'm in here every day, helping you guys. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, I also have a paid group, which is smaller, of course, but this is where we get on Zoom calls and we actually work with you one-on-one. This one, I'm there, I'm texting, you can chat with me here, whatever you're having problems with. We're doing Instagram audits, whatever it is, and every day I'm in there hopefully giving you tips and tricks and what's happening. So let's go back. What is it exactly? It's basically, it's about 18 hours now. I think there's 200 lessons in there. No, you don't have to go through all of them before you get started. You can actually jump in and get started right away, because what happens is, as soon as you buy this and you activate your CapHub account, then all of this stuff is actually put right into your CapHub account. All the emails are done for you. The automation that for your Instagram is all done, your Facebook, all that kind of stuff. You get an app on your phone where you can actually message people right in the app, so that you don't have to keep going back to Facebook or Instagram. You can actually just comment when people comment. You can have the conversation right there with you. It's so fantastic. Sorry, my dog here is going, hey, let's go for a walk. All right, so how do you actually get this? So basically, this is the old version. This is the new version. This is the new sales page, I believe. Now, oh no, this is my sales page. I had mine custom upgraded just because I saw what Fran had a version of her sales page, and I got that built for me. You don't need that, but if you do, I can show you exactly how to do it because it's so easy in the funnel builder. Super simple. So this is the landing page you're going to get. And people come in here, they put their name, their email in, they get instant access. They're then taken to the sales page, which is, this is the sales page here, and it takes them down to the checkout. And you're going to go down right here. Is this where you're going to put your image? You're going to put your little story here. That's the only thing you need to add there. And then you're just going to, in the back office, you'll set it up so this pays you directly into your PayPal, or it pays you into your Stripe account, whatever you want to set up. And it's very simple. And this is what I love about this, is that you get 100% of the commissions if you sell this. And like, you don't have to go through this course to sell this. You can go through the course and you can sell whatever you want. There's an Amazon influencer in there. There's a how to make digital products. You can make your own course. This is just an easy way to get started with something to sell. And then when you're ready to do your own thing, you go out and do your own thing. So it's not like you have to sell this. It's just here for you as an opportunity. So in the funnel, it's really easy. This is what the back office of Captivation Hub looks like. This is the new funnel for PDM. This would be the one that you're getting. I've been in this for a while. I get the old one. So it's super simple. There's just a couple things to do it. And when you're in the community, what I love about the community here is super active. The people are on here just even an hour ago, but the course is in Spanish. And right here, you open it up, and here is how you're going to go through the course. So it's got 200 lessons, guys. So welcome to Passive Digital Mastery. It goes on exactly what it all is. Niche or nothing, talks about branding, talks about growing your influence. Now, here's where you actually can, if you want to get selling right away and then go through the other stuff after, this is how you go through and get this. And before you buy Captivation Hub, make sure you message me, because I've got a special bonus for when you get it through me. You're going to save a huge, like 60% on the cost of Captivation Hub. Shows you how to buy a domain. It's not really the only thing you need. It shows you how to modify your forms, and it's really these lessons are super short, guys. Just a few minutes, and it shows you exactly what to do it step by step. This is because they've added the new PDM funnel, and that's the one you'll be getting. So again, connecting your Stripe account, all these things, and it may look daunting at first, but really, guys, it's really just point, click, copy, paste. That's all it is. There's nothing much to it than that. And it basically, and like I said, everything is in there for you. You go into your funnels. You see, this is the old one that I have. I own another program called Online Profit Secrets. So I have all the OPS master copies, which I can sell as well. This is the new one that you would be getting, the updated passive digital mastery. You go in there. That's where you get it. Your marketing is already done for you. The emails are all in here. They're all created. Workflow campaigns, there's all your campaigns. You've got your a buyer's campaign, opt-in campaign. All that is already done for you. In the automation, it's got all the shared workflows. It's got the chat workflows for actually for doing Instagram and Facebook. So this is it all. And like I said, all of this is all set up for you guys. Like it's already put in there. As soon as you get your CapHub account, it takes maybe like anywhere from 12 to 24 hours for them to move everything into your account. And then it's all there. Go through the lessons, how to connect everything, and boom, you're done. And if you need help anywhere along the way, you just message me in the group, or you message in the learning group in here. Back to the discussion group. You can go in here. Lori's always in here. She's helping. She helps everybody. But you're not going to be left. And if you're on CapHub, you can also just contact support there, and they'll totally help you because this is all integrated together. So you've got like 3 points of contact to if you get stuck, you just put out a ask for it, and then move on to the next step until you get that answer. Don't just get stuck on that answer or waiting for that answer and then not do anything. You want to be moving forward. So that is basically the nutshell of everything. So it's really truly a done for you system. And then you can be broadcasting, and like I said, you don't like in the learning thing, like I said, you don't just have to promote this product. If you want to create your own product, that's what I did. But in here, it goes down after you go through your building your process. And I don't recommend using System, guys. I've used it. It's an inferior product, and you're still going to need other subscriptions as opposed to having everything in one place. So it shows you how to do stand store if you want that, or beacons. But again, collecting an email, using everything on one platform is really helpful. It shows you how to create your own online freebie, like something to give away, crafting your message for customers. It shows you how to make content that converts. There's a content vault in there, so anything you need is in there. Social media shows you how to set up your Instagram, how to do faceless marketing. So if you're really keen on not showing your face, there's a whole section on faceless marketing. Mastering online sales, affiliate marketing, mindset, deciding on digital products, creating your own digital product. You could even make your own course in here. It's very, very simple. You have your own membership site. It's basically anything you need to do. Amazon influencer, how to use Canva. It's just how to YouTube's really great for me. I'm at 23,000 followers now, and it just keeps growing. And people, why is this video on YouTube? Because people go there to learn stuff. It's a great way to find customers. And you just keep going. ChatGPT, it's got some great training. So it's a massive thing. There's a discount code, take 100, and you'll get $100 off of it. I'll put that in the description below as well. So basically, if you're looking for a digital product to promote, you're not going to go wrong with getting passive digital mastery and having it run it on CapHub. And yes, guys, when I first looked at CapHub, I was like, holy cow, this looks so hard. You will grow with it. At first, you're just going to use a couple of the systems to get it going. And then as you get more comfortable and maybe you want to build your own product, you can see that in funnels here, I've actually created my own affiliate profit pages. I've got all these funnels in here now. in different stages. I've got a mentorship program in here that you can, if you want my direct mentorship, I've got a mentorship program. I've got $1 million offer I'm working on right now. It's just a really, really great system. So I highly recommend, if you're looking to get into the Make Money Online, what am I going to offer if you join through me? Well, like I said, you're going to get access to me through my affiliate quick start group. You're also going to get access through me through my paid group. So this is a little perk that you're going to get. So you're going to be able to jump on a Zoom call with me, and I go live. I'm going live in 5 days here. Also in Fran's group, they go live as well. So the events. So she's got her Q&A every 2 weeks, just like I do. Mine's in the morning. There's in the afternoon, and then so you're going to have lots and lots of support. You'll get your questions answered. And like I said, it's not just the live things that you're going to get answers on. You're also going to get answers by reaching out in the group. So the link below will take you to my sales page. You want to go through that, and then you want to get into my quick start school. If you don't want to put your email, I'll just send you directly into here, and then you would go into the classroom, and right here is this is the main program I promote, and this is how you can get digital mastery right there in the classroom. And then I've got other stuff in there. I've got a mastermind for you, so you understand my philosophy on high ticket affiliate blueprint. There's also a little quick start guide for a low ticket item. Now, here's the deal, guys. I can sell one of these, and I'd have to sell close to 20 of these to get what I make there. This one also takes 30 to 45 days to get paid. This one, I get the money in my bank in about 3 days after it clears Stripe and PayPal. Again, I mentioned my elite mentorship program. If you're interested in there, click here, and we can set that up. You can message me. We can do payment plan. We can do whatever you want. There's also a couple other things I threw in here. AI Revolution Secrets. If you really want to do a deep dive on AI, this is a great free course. They run it about every 2 weeks, so definitely want to check that out. It's totally free. You can go join it. Of course, they're selling something. They're selling their full training in there, which I own. It's a great product. And then one of my coaches, Zach's free Facebook or free school group as well, and you can go in there and learn from Zach, who's now, I think he's made about 13 million online. Fran's made 7 million now, and Zach's made 13 million. So you've got some really high caliber trainers that you can access through me. And whenever you go through me, again, you're going to get the perks of working with me as well. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it on that. So definitely click the link below. Oh, make sure you hit subscribe, but click the link below. Go grab Passive Digital Mastery. Make sure you get it on CapHub. I'll put both links in there that you're going to get the best discount on. Use the Take 100. So it's all one word, TAKE 100. And make sure you're using that coupon to get the discount. And I'll see you on the inside. Cheers.